I'm Emily with ExploreChick, and if you are dreaming about crisp mountain air, winding trails through the Smoky Mountains, cozy campfire nights, you're here in the right place. I'm going to show you today how to pack for an unforgettable hiking adventure in the Smoky Mountains. And if you are new here, welcome to ExploreChick. ExploreChick is about small group women-only adventures for women who crave more than just a vacation. Think deeper connections, those did that really just happen moments, and no planning stress. On our 2 Smoky Mountains adventures, you'll hike through ancient forests, you'll bond with like-minded women, and you'll return home feeling refreshed and inspired. Before you lace up those boots, let's dive into everything you need to pack for your hiking trip. Plus, I'm going to throw in some pro packing tips for you. Let's start with your bag. We recommend a 40-liter backpack or duffel bag. It's the best travel option. Easy to slide under seats in the van, and it'll be perfect to store in your glamping tent. The Smokies are known for their rugged terrain, so you're going to need worn-in, sturdy hiking boots or hiking shoes that offer traction and support while you're on the trail. A pro tip is that I like to wear these on the plane with me on my travel day, so I save some space in my bag. Your socks are going to be just as important for keeping your feet happy on the trail. Wool blend socks are my favorite. They provide natural comfort, softness, moisture wicking, and let's be honest, odor control. Kind of key. I'll pack 3 pairs for this 4-day trip to the Smokies. Also, I'm going to throw in 1 extra warmer, thicker pair of socks if I'm going in the spring or in the fall, just to sleep in and keep those feet extra warm. In the Smokies, you're going to be hiking some amazing, beautiful trails, like up to Charlie's Bunyan, which is at 5,500 feet. And when you're up that high in the mountains, the weather gets moody and can change really fast. So what we're talking about next is really important. One minute you're sweating in the sun, the next it could be raining, so layering is key. And being prepared with the right gear makes all the difference. And don't worry, ExploreChick sends you a detailed packing list for every single trip, so don't feel like you need to memorize all of this. But here are all of the essentials. Layering lets you adapt to changing weather and to activity levels while you're hiking. Your base layer is going to be closest to your skin. That's going to wick the sweat. Your mid layer is going to help insulate you and keep you warm. And your outside layer is going to help shield you from the wind and from the rain. For your long sleeve bottom base layer, you're going to need 1 top and 1 bottom. And this is a must if you're coming hiking with us to the Smokies in the spring or the fall, when the temperatures can get pretty chilly. Go for wool materials or synthetic materials for your base layer. And I pack 1 long sleeve top and 1 pair of leggings for this base layer. And if you're coming with us in the spring or the fall, you might want to pack 2 sets of your base layer, 2 tops and 2 bottoms. Next, on top of that, will go your mid layer. You'll want something cozy, but not too bulky. I'm packing this quarter zip fleece, which would be great to bring on all of our trips for all of the seasons, and you only need 1 of these. Next is your insulated puffy jacket. You'll want a lightweight, packable, insulated puffy jacket, and you'll even want this if you come with us on a summer trip because it does get pretty chilly in the mornings and in the evenings. So packing this is a must. Next, for your hiking tops, I'm bringing 2 sun hoodies. I love these. They're great for keeping your skin protected from the sun, keeping you cool. They're lightweight. And you can also bring a hiking shirt made of a synthetic fabric that will also be great for the summer months to keep you cool while you're hiking. So I would pack 2 sun hoodies, 1 hiking shirt, and again, if you're coming in those colder months, maybe the spring or the fall, it's great to hike in that base layer. Next are hiking pants. You want to look for durable, stretchy materials for your hiking pants because trails in the Smokies can be rocky, muddy, and steep. I'll bring 2 pairs of hiking pants on this 4-day trip so I can rotate them and have time to dry one in case one gets wet. A pair of hiking shorts is optional. I personally love hiking in them, so I would pack them. Choose a pair that's lightweight and moisture wicking, and 1 pair would be enough for this hiking trip. Next is our rain gear. Now, did you know that the Smoky Mountains are one of the wettest places in the US, getting nearly twice as much as Seattle gets? All that rain is what makes the Smoky Mountains so lush and gorgeous. But it also means it could start raining without any warning, so you need to pack that rain gear. Lightweight, waterproof, packable jacket and pants are important for you to have in your day pack so you can throw them on if it starts raining on the trail so you don't get cold and wet while hiking. Since you're going to be hiking some incredible trails in the Smokies, you are definitely going to need a day pack that is 20 to 30 liters, and you're going to need a pack cover in case it rains. Now for your sun protection, you're going to want a hat, sunscreen, and sunglasses. Now let's talk water and hydration. On this trip, you're going to need 3 liters of water carrying capacity. This could look like a 2-liter hydration bladder plus a 1-liter Nalgene water bottle. Pro tip is that you're going to want to skip these insulated water bottles in those big oversized water jugs for your 3 liters that you're going to need. Yes, they keep your water cold, but they're really bulky, they're heavy, they add weight to your pack, and they're just overkill for most of these hikes. So stick to something that is more lightweight for your water. Some other things you'll need to pack for this trip is a bathing suit and a towel, a beanie, and a pair of gloves, a headlamp, plus a set of extra batteries. A pair of camp shoes, something that you can throw on after you take off your hiking boots, and something you could wear walking around town. I would just pack these sandals for both. Now, besides all the hiking clothes, it's nice to slip into something more comfortable when you get back to camp, so I would pack a pair of sweatpants or leggings, just something cozy to lounge around in. And then you'll also want one more outfit that you can wear into Gatlinburg. Jeans and a t-shirt would be great. I'm gonna pack these overalls and a t-shirt for bopping around Gatlinburg. And besides your day pack for hiking, the only other bag I would bring is a small purse, crossbody bag, or a fanny pack, so you'll have all your personal items on you when you go into Gatlinburg. Since you will be glamping if you come with us, which means you'll be camping in these adorable canvas tents with real beds, you'll have showers, bathrooms, electricity, you will have hot coffee waiting for you brewed by your guides every single morning. There's really not a lot that you'll need to bring with you. Here are a few optional other things that you might want to pack for your own comfort. Trekking poles, if you like to have them, hiking uphill and downhill, definitely make sure to pack your own trekking poles if you like them. A sleep mask and earplugs, since you will be sharing the glamping tents. A portable charger is always great to have, and any extra fuel or snacks that you can't live without. Now your guides are gonna have you fueled up on these hikes. They're gonna be cooking you all of your delicious meals and have snacks galore, but you know your body, and if you know you need to have certain snacks with you when you hike, make sure to pack those extra special things with you. So there you have it, your ultimate packing list for an unforgettable trip to the Smoky Mountains National Park. If you're already signed up, we cannot wait to see you out on the trail. If not, there's still time, and we have 2 incredible trips to the Smoky Mountains. Our Smokies Boots and Roots trip blends mountain hikes with soulful connections. Think chasing waterfalls by day and learning all the history of the women of the Smoky Mountains, and you'll even take a pottery class where you will handcraft your own mug that'll get shipped to you. And at night, you'll gather around the campfire at your glamping site with your new friends, women who feel like you've known them for years. You'll share big belly laughs and that feeling of like, wow, I really needed this. Next is our Smokies hiking, rafting, and glamping adventure, where you will spend 4 days of endless adventure, hiking some of the best trails in the Smoky Mountains, then rafting down the Pigeon River with some epic rapids. Then at night, you'll kick back at our cozy glamping digs, cold drink in your hand, nothing on your to-do list, just you and your new friends cracking up about those hilarious rafting pictures or talking about how amazing that day's hike was. Whether you're looking to explore the Smoky Mountains or someplace totally new, every trip is a chance for you to feel more connected, more alive, and more you. Your expert female guides take care of every single detail so you can just show up and mindlessly wander and enjoy every second of being present. Click the link below to find your next adventure, and we can't wait to see you out there.